How to start not making money in affiliate marketing. Make fast money with affiliate marketing. This might be the advertisement you see over and over again about affiliate marketing. Being only human enough, you get lured into these promises and anticipate wide-eyed for the money to come in instantly. This is the most common mistake that people make once they get into affiliate marketing. Many newbies have fallen victim by those who are promoting the business successfully enough. But then, they get to realize later on that they are not really making the kind of money being promised. And they thought that affiliate marketing was indeed a simple business. Many of you may have heard so many wonderful things about affiliate programs. You may have also heard of testimonials of people who are earning more money by endorsing the products or services of other people. And why not? The commissions you will be getting is more than great. All you have to do is get the word out to the right people and soon they will be making their way to your affiliate sites. It all seems very easy. Not really. Getting into many and various affiliate programs. Many newbies think that affiliate marketing is a numbers game. So to be successful, they would need big numbers. These marketers would try and get into every affiliate marketing program in the hope that the more program, the more the profits. Getting into more affiliate marketing program do not work. Instead of concentrating on one and giving it your best shot, you are torn between which ones to put into first place and which ones should be last. In the end, your affiliate marketing will not work the way you expect it to. One thing that beginner affiliate marketers forget is to focus on one product or service first before they could go on getting more than they could handle. As with other types of business, affiliate marketing is a continuous learning process that have to be researched on and learned to be able to have an initial idea what it is you are marketing about. First, you have to know more about the product or service being offered. It would be best if you can buy or use that same product so you can really tell something about it to your potential customers. Second is to know how best to market them. Is your strategy working or does it seem to end with you getting nothing and trying all over again? This is just one of the important questions you should ask yourself once you are into this kind of business. You may begin to wonder how the super affiliates make seem too easy. Like you, they did not start out successfully. They have also undergone the same things but eventually have learned the strategies that would make their affiliate marketing best. If you have just ventured into the affiliate marketing business, it is best to try and focus on a program at a time. By doing this, you will get to learn a lot about the business and how to run it smoothly. You will also have the opportunity to learn about sales writing techniques, so get the attention of more people. Presenting your ad is one of the most important things that make affiliate marketing work. Without these things, your marketing will not be as successful and as effective. Try to input some enthusiasm into your business. Your readers will sense that feeling in you and they will be able to catch the enthusiasm you are radiating. For example, when you are reading a book, the emotions being conveyed are getting through you. You get to feel what is being written. This is the same way with affiliate marketing. If you are confident enough about what you are offering, you will feel so strongly about it that you can encourage other people to feel the same way. Try to find an affiliate marketing program that you believe in and follow it through. It will not only give you the proper credibility, but it will also give you the enjoyment of promoting something that you like. For the newbies out there, get into one affiliate and see how well you can make it work. If all else turn for the worst, there are still others there waiting for you.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.